Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Eternal Sugar Cookie. First, embark on the Sweet Tooth questline. This essential journey begins once your baking skill reaches level 25. You'll need to gather 25 units of enchanted sugar and 5 golden eggs to start. These ingredients are crucial for crafting this special, long-lasting treat. It's a rewarding process that ensures a permanent boost to your character's abilities. Next, head to the Culinary Guildhall and locate the Grand Oven. This ancient oven is the only place powerful enough to combine your rare ingredients. You'll mix the 25 units of enchanted sugar and 5 golden eggs with 1 unit of rare flour. This special flour is exclusively found deep within the Whispering Woods, often guarded by forest sprites. Careful preparation here is key to a successful base cookie. Once your base cookie is baked, proceed to the Arcane Enchanter. This mystical artisan will imbue your cookie with eternal properties. You'll need to provide 3 units of arcane dust and 1 celestial shard for the enchantment. Arcane dust is often dropped by magical creatures, while celestial shards are rare finds from meteor showers. The entire enchanting process typically takes about 1 hour to finish. Finally, with your Eternal Sugar Cookie in hand, simply consume it to activate its powerful, lasting effects. This extraordinary treat will immediately grant your character a permanent 10% boost to all primary statistics. The best part is, this incredible buff never expires, providing a continuous advantage throughout all your adventures. Enjoy your newfound, everlasting power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.